6th B we have done, 7th, second was homework, 8th one solve, 8th one solve a by x minus b by y is equal to 0. A by x minus b by y is equal to 0. And ab square by x plus a square b by y is equal to a square plus b square. Okay, this is my equation number 1 and this is my equation number 2. Now we want to solve these two equations. So now we will solve this by eliminating equating coefficient. Okay, by equating coefficient. What is coefficient of 1 upon y? See, this is b upon y. Here, this is b upon y. Okay, and this is b upon y. Now this is multiplied with a square. A square is there, no? So equation 1 I will multiply it with a square and I will add to equation 2. Is it clear? B upon y is there. Now to make coefficient of y equal, I will multiply equation 1 with a square. So a square into equation 1. Plus equation 2. First I will multiply equation 1 with a square. So multiply each by a square. So a square into a will be a cube upon x minus a square b upon y is equal to 0 into a square. 0 into a square will be 0. Yes. Then ab square upon x plus a square b upon y is equal to a square plus b square. Now I will add both the equation. Add, because they are different sign, minus and plus. Are you getting? Equation 1 it was b upon y. 2 it is a square b upon y. So equation 1 I will multiply with a square and then I will add equation 2. So let us add. So when you will add, denominator is same, xx. So you will get a cube by x plus ab square by x plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a square b square will be a square plus b square. Now in this what is common? Yes, tell me. A cube and ab square, what is common? A is common. So it is a square plus b square upon x is equal to a square plus b square. Yes. So you will get a by x is equal to a square plus b square. This will go in the denominator, a square plus b square. A square plus b square get cancelled. What is left? 1. This get cancelled, no? So you will get a by x is equal to 1. So cross multiply, you will get x is equal to a. Now put the value of x is equal to a in equation 1. Put x is equal to a in equation 1. Equation 1, a is equal to x. Or x value is a. So a upon a minus b by y is equal to 0. A upon a get cancelled 1. So 1 minus b by y is equal to 0. So you will get 1 is equal to b by y. So cross multiply, you will get y is equal to b. So the answer is x is equal to a and y is equal to b. Yes? Understood? Yes, right. So equation 1 it was b by y. 2 it is a square b by y. So equation 1 I will multiply by a square and then this is minus, this is plus, so I will add. Yes. So the answer is x is equal to A and y is equal to B. The answer is x is equal to A and y is equal to B. Okay. Answer is x is equal to A and y is equal to B. That was the answer. So simple, by equating coefficient method, either you equate coefficient of x or you equate coefficient of y. But you have to remember, whenever they have same sign, coefficient have same sign, you have to subtract. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to add. Now ninth one, 2xy upon x plus y. 2xy upon x plus y is equal to 3 by 2. Is equal to 3 by 2. And xy upon 2x minus y is equal to 3 by 10. Where the condition is given, denominators are non-zero. Where denominators are non-zero, where x plus y is not equal to 0 and 2x minus y is not equal to 0. Okay. Why it is given denominator is non-zero? Because if the denominator is 0, then 1 upon 0 does not exist. The equations are not defined. So let us solve this. So how we will solve this? So 2xy, see here, we know that, yes, see here, a upon b plus c, I cannot write a by b plus a by c, remember this. A upon b plus c, I cannot write a by c plus b by c. But if I have a plus b upon c, then this I can write a by c plus b by c. Yes? Are you getting? Whenever numerator has two terms, then I can split. But whenever numerator has one term, we cannot split. So this is 2xy upon x plus y is equal to 3 by 2. So numerator there is one term, but we want two term in the numerator. So I will take reciprocal. So taking reciprocal, what you will get? X plus y upon 2xy is equal to 3 by 2. Yes. So now use a plus b by c, will be a by c plus b by c. Use the result a plus b by c. Whenever numerator has one term, then I cannot write. Yes. No, my dear, wait. When you will take reciprocal, you have to take reciprocal on both the sides. So reciprocal of 3 by 2 will be 2 by 3. Yes, correct. Reciprocal means reciprocal on both the sides, not only one side. Reciprocal means reciprocal on both the sides. Okay. So let us solve this. So a plus b by c will be a by c plus b by c. So what that become? See, this 2 I can multiply. This 2 I can cross multiply. So what you will get? X plus y upon xy is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 by 3. Okay. Then a plus b by c, x upon xy plus y upon xy is equal to 4 by 3. Now x get cancelled, y get cancelled. What is left? 1 upon y plus 1 upon x is equal to 4 by 3. Which I can write 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 4 by 3. This is my equation number 1. Okay. Similarly, you will simplify second. xy upon 2x minus y is equal to 3 by 10. So numerator there is one term. So whenever numerator there is one term, a upon b plus c, I cannot write a by b plus a by c. But whenever there are two terms in the numerator, that we can write. So in this also we take reciprocal. Taking reciprocal, taking reciprocal. So you will get 2x minus y upon xy. 2x minus y upon xy. What you will get? 2x minus y upon xy is equal to 10 by 3. Reciprocal on both the sides. Whenever you write reciprocal on both the sides you have to take. So that will be 2x minus y upon xy is equal to 10 by 3. 2x minus y upon xy is equal to reciprocal, means interchange numerator and denominator, is equal to 10 by 3. So again there are two terms in the numerator, a minus b by c. I can write a by c minus b by c. So 2x upon xy minus y upon xy is equal to 10 by 3. Then x get cancelled, y get cancelled. So you will get 2 upon y minus 1 upon x is equal to 10 by 3. So which you can write minus 1 by x plus 2 by y, 2 into 1 upon y is equal to 10 by 3. This is my